Wanna know how to enable or disable profanity chats in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. The first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and make sure you are under the main menu. So make sure you have exited from all of your games and you should be under the main menu right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing your settings right here, which should be the gear icon. Just simply select it. So now once I select get settings, by default you should be under video and right here should be gameplay. Just simply select it. So now once you select gameplay, here you should be seeing various settings. So you can just simply scroll down until you see use profanity filter. So you can just simply disable or enable it just like this and then select apply. What profanity filter does is it just simply filters out sensitive chats and words, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.